Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making Egg Aloo Nashta in only 10 minutes. A quick and crispy snack made with egg and potato stuffing. Perfect when guests arrive suddenly and you need a fast homemade treat. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, mix well. Quick stuffed snacks are popular for unexpected guests. Add 1/3 cup water gradually and make a soft dough. Make the dough soft but not sticky. Rub some oil on the dough and keep aside. Now prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 egg and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Scramble the egg. Scrambled egg adds extra flavor to the filling. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. One teaspoon chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon onion, coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix everything well. Egg and potato is a classic combination in many snacks. And keep aside. Take some small portion of dough and roll them. Place the egg potato mixture in the center. Cover well and seal the edges. Cool the filling slightly before stuffing. Seal edges properly to prevent opening. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Eggs are rich in protein and nutrients. Potatoes provide energy and carbohydrates. Homemade snacks avoid preservatives. Fresh herbs enhance flavor and nutrition. Your quick egg aloo nashta is ready, crispy outside and soft inside, perfect for tea time or sudden guest. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more quick snack recipes.